Nice work. They're speeding up.
We have to stop the boat.
Can you take care of the engine room?
Of course.
Good. I'll do it and get off the ship. I'm gonna stop the missile.
Captain, sir, signal from the Chinese fleet commander.
Order 2358.
To Royal Navy Task Group, we also have the unknown ship on our screens. We will not fire unless it turns towards China. Until then, she's yours. Good hunting.
Now, Captain, whatever the hell that thing is, sink it.
Right, sir. Piwo, is that Echo too weak for missile lock?
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll do it the old-fashioned way.
Flight deck P-Word.
Bond turned us into the target, along with himself. Take evasive action. Prepare the missile countdown immediately.
Initializing launch sequence T, -5 minutes and counting.
T minus 5 minutes and counting.
Sir, they're making 48 knots. They'll be out of our visual range within 2 minutes at that speed.
Keep firing, we've got to slow them down.
Switch to launching at Alpha Zero.
The engines are out. We're sitting ducks here. Engine room.
T minus 4 minutes and counting.